play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DaCardia, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. We are about to try a new wig today. A new wig too. Okay, enough. So I got this wig in my WIG subscription package. This is the wig. If you want to know anything about what I purchased or what I got, check the description box. Let's go ahead, let's open her up so I can give y'all this details. So this wig can be worn glueless, and I want to do that. I want to do that today in this video. Don't forget to take the gut out. This is pretty. This is really, really pretty. Okay. This is cute. This is really, really cute. This is, let me go ahead and take this off. My bad, y'all. My bad. Let me give y'all guys the details of this unit. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Look at that. She looks good. It is a middle part. It has baby hairs, and this is a more like a beach wave look. I like this. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. She's very lightweight. She's not like, it's kind of confusing. She looks full. She really looks full, but she's not full. Mind blown. This is a HD lace, so this should be pretty good. Like, if I were to lay this unit down like I normally would, this will look so natural, and that's why I'm trying not to lay it down. But you know what? I'm going to show you glueless, and then I'm gonna lay it down. Go ahead and give you guys the details of this unit. She is 26 inches HD lace beach curl. It does say on this stock card, it says 100% human hair premium mix, and it's HD, baby hairs, everything that you want in a unit. Okay, so let's look at the details on the inside. So like they said, it is a triangle part lace right here. You see how much room you have? Bless me. She has two combs right here on the outside. She has one comb in the back and the adjustable straps. This is a very stretchy wig, so I do see why it is a glueless wig. You can wear this glueless, you can lay it down. Baby, I gotta sneeze again. One more time. All right, and I'm done. Anywho, let me fix these adjustable straps, and we about to put this one on. Okay. On the stock card, this model is wearing a beige chocolate, so it's like the ends are like a honey blonde. It is pretty. Like, y'all see this? Baby, this is beautiful. I like what the model is wearing. That is really pretty. And on the back, I'm not so crazy about this one, but it is the burgundy one. This is a really, really pretty unit. Like, if you were to go to the beach or to the pool at a resort, this the wig. This the wig, girl. This is it. I got my stocking cap on. I did not do anything to my stocking cap because, baby, I reuse my stocking cap. So I ain't got to do much work today, okay? I ain't got to put no foundation on because I already did it. All right, let's put her on. Yes. Oh, she's... This wig right here, oh, she is, baby, she is beautiful. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh.
is a certified hood classic.
Yeah.
Real trap shit.
Yeah. 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 Who the jiggy nigga with the gold links? Got me reminiscing about my old days. 3-6 suck a nigga dick, no foreplay. All day, booming out the trap through the hallway. Tell me what you niggas know about. I'm just saying turn it down, or she finna call the cops. We been plotting on the op, she the one who got the drop. Just a free quick fix it up, and it's okay. They gon' take me back to my old ways. I was trying to chill, pop the sales ever since I got a deal. Kick it with my model chick, tick Chris. Fuck niggas wanna diss, now I gotta let them know it's really trill. Lord pretty Flacco Jordy. Dirty fuck niggas, how you been? Cause your line lines, niggas talk nine every now and then. I'm just out getting foul, nine Jody. Jody.
Shit.
Jody. I ain't never looking for no handout. I ain't never looking for no handout. Broke ass niggas never.